Question 1. What is the correct spelling of the word minuscule? Minuscule. Now, most of us, we go for option B, which is wrong. Minuscule does not have I after N. Okay, so consequently, this B is also not correct. And it also does not have double E after the L. So option A is correct, minuscule. Question 2. What is the correct spelling of the word occurrence? Occurrence. Occurrence, take note, it has double C. That means this is wrong. Occurrence also has double R. So we hold this, and this. Occurrence also has double R. So this is wrong. So what is the difference between option A and D? Occurrence has E after R, so not occurrence. Occurrence has double C, double R. So A is correct. Let's go to number 3. What is the correct spelling of the word bourgeoisie? Bourgeoisie. Bourgeoisie. Okay, bourgeoisie, take note, it has I after O. So this is out of it. This is correct, but the ending, bourgeoisie, it does not have Y. So consequently, D is also wrong. So bourgeoisie, A is correct, Bourgeoisie. Let's go to question 4. We are given the word mischievous. Mischievous, take note, mischievous does not have the letter I after V. So this option B is wrong. Of course, C is also wrong. This is totally wrong. It does not have double C. So A is correct, mischievous. Take note of that. In case you are writing UI Post-UTME where test of spelling will be given, take into cognizance the following words. Number 5. We are given the word questionnaire. Questionnaire. Take note, questionnaire has double N. And why is this not correct? Because there is no I after A. So this is wrong. And there is no double E ending. So A is correct. Let's go to question 6. We are given the word supersede to spell. So what is your spelling for supersede? Take note, the word supersede does not have C before E, as you can see on your screen. And it does not have double E here. And it does not have double E here as well. So the correct spelling of the word supersede is option A, SUPERSEDE, supersede. Let's go to question 7. We are given the word connoisseur. 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 Okay. What is the correct spelling of the word connoisseur? Expert involving the study of beauty. Okay, it has double N. It has double S. Take into cognizance those ones. So this is totally wrong. This is wrong. and it does not have double R. So A is correct. Question 8. We are given the word millennium. Millennium. Millennium has double L, yes. It has double N. That makes this to be incorrect. It has double L. This is not correct too. It has double N. So what is the difference between? Okay, we have two options here. Okay, no, what is the difference between option A and option D is that after the double L, it has E. The correct spelling of millennium has E after the double L, not I. So this is wrong also. Our correct option is option A, millennium. Question 9. Acqui acquiesce. Acquiesce. Acquiesce does not have double S here. And it has C before this E. And acquiesce has S. So these are also not correct. So the correct spelling is in option A, acquiesce. Question 10. Bewether. Bewether. Bewether, take note, the confusion here is that you may think this is correct, but this is the wrong spelling for this. Bewether does not have A. So this, and it has double L. It does not have A. Take note of that. So option A is correct. Question 11. Take note, the word embarrassment has double R, double S. So this is wrong because of the omission of one R. And this is wrong because of the omission of the second S. This is also wrong because of the omission of the second S. So A is correct. Embarrassment, unlike harass that has only one R. So question 12, we are given the word harass. I've just said it. So harass has only one R but double S. So this is wrong. And this is also wrong because this contains only one S. This is also wrong. So our correct answer is in option B. Thank you for joining me on this spelling segment.